Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well, beta. So, beta, today we start our chapter lesson 7. The second video is of chemical change. Today the date is 2nd July 2021 and the day is Friday. So, beta, yesterday means on 1st July we have done about the physical changes. Ki what are physical changes? Why they are called irreversible changes, and we also done some examples. Now the next one is beta about the chemical changes. Okay, what are chemical changes? So chemical changes are known as irreversible. Okay, they are known as irreversible changes. Why? Because in this case we not get the original substance back. Okay, in this case we not get back the original substance, the substance that are in its original position. We not get that substance, we get a new substance. That substance changes into a new substance, so it is irreversible change. And chemical change, in chemical changes beta, all the physical properties are changed. These, in physical changes we have done that there is a change in physical properties, but in chemical changes there are changes in the chemical composition. Like we see the example, what happen when milk is set into curd? Is there any change in its taste and chemical nature? Yes, it's the taste of milk is different, the taste of curd is different. The nature, the liquid is if the milk is liquid, the curd is semi liquid type material. Okay, so that is the curd is totally different from the milk. We see that in this type of change a new substance, that is curd, formed from the milk. So this type of change in which new substance is formed, or the chemical nature of substance changes, is known as chemical change. So what are chemical changes? The changes in which new substance formed and there is change in their chemical nature, and it is the irreversible change. So in a chemical change physical properties can also change. Physical तो obviously है, they may change, but along with physical properties chemical nature also changes. Now there are some examples to clear these things to you. Now there is first activity, let's try this. What is this activity beta? In this video I will explain this activity, and I also share the YouTube links with you in which these experiments are performing, and you will observe, you will watch that videos so that chemical reactions are clear to you. Okay, so first activity is, let's try this. Okay, the activity is to show the formation of new substance in a change. First point is of the chemical change, the new substance is formed. So which new substance is formed? They are given the example of the reaction of two things, that is the baking soda and vinegar or acetic acid. So material required is baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3. Na is sodium, H is hydrogen, C carbon, O oxygen. Its formula is NaHCO3. Okay, baking soda that were used in cooking. Okay, also now vinegar or acetic acid is also used in our pickles. Okay, for making chow mein, these are vinegar or acetic acid. Its formula is CH3COOH. Lime water, ठीक है, lime water is CaOH का whole twice, calcium hydroxide. ठीक है, a large bottle, a straw and a small bottle we required in this case. When you will come to school, I will show these chemicals to you. Okay, now procedure is what you have to do: add a pinch of baking soda to a little vinegar, taking large bottle. You take this large bottle, put baking soda in it and few drops of the vinegar, yani ki acetic acid. Okay, you will observe bubbles coming out. You see that some bubbles are coming out, and these bubbles are carbon dioxide. These bubbles are the carbon dioxide gas which is released due to chemical reaction between baking soda and vinegar. Means जो baking soda NaHCO3 react with vinegar acid, that is CH3COOH, the gas produced is carbon dioxide, and this gas liberate as bubbles. In the form of bubbles this gas liberate outside. Okay, now pass this carbon dioxide gas through a small bottle containing lime water. So with the help of straw you have to pass this carbon dioxide gas in another small bottle that contain the lime water, that contain the lime water. The colorless lime water, the color of lime water is colorless, it has no color, it is like the water. But when carbon dioxide gas enter in this lime water, it turns milky. The color turns milky as the milk. This happens why? Because on passing carbon dioxide through lime water, a new substance, that is calcium carbonate CaCO3, is formed, which is white in color. Okay, beta? Clear? Now see this beta reaction. First, we have to do reaction of baking soda with vinegar acid. When baking soda react with vinegar acid, carbon dioxide gas is formed. When this carbon dioxide gas is passes into lime water, then a new substance is formed, that is called calcium carbonate. So this activity, this experiment show that in a chemical reaction a new substance will form. So beta, you have to learn the formulas of these baking soda, vinegar acid, okay, now means acetic acid, vinegar or lime water, calcium carbonate. You have to learn this formula so that in high classes you not have any problem. So clear? So this is the example of chemical change in which new substance form. And in daily life you see, when we make curd from milk, it is a new substance. We cook the raw vegetables, then it is the chemical change, because the chemical nature of the raw vegetables are different from of the cooked vegetables. Okay, so many changes, chemical changes occur in our daily life. Okay, now the next, there is one more activity about that a new substance is formed. What we have to use in this experiment, we use copper sulfate solution. It's blue color, this one blue color is the copper sulfate solution, Cu copper, SO4 is the sulfate solution. Iron nail, and this one is the iron nail. Okay, new iron nail, iron, formula of iron is Fe. Okay, beaker or test tube, these are the test tubes. What you have to do, you take 100 milliliter of copper sulfate blue solution in a test tube or a beaker. Okay, then you have to put iron nail in this test tube and you have to observe this nail after 30 minutes. What happen after 30 minutes? It will observe that blue color of copper sulfate solution turn greenish. This blue color turn into green color. Okay, and this happen because why? This happen because iron react with copper sulfate. The iron react with copper sulfate solution and form a new substance, that is iron sulfate, FeSO4, iron sulfate. And elemental copper, that the copper that is present here is deposited on this iron nail. That copper is deposited on the iron नेल, वो आयरन नेल के ऊपर डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर? सी, आयरन कैलमेट कॉपर, आयरन सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इज ग्रीन इन कलर. और ये रिएक्शन कैसे देखिए, CuSO4 कॉपर सल्फेट when react with iron, formula is Fe. What it form? It formed iron sulfate solution, that is green in color, and copper element is deposited on the iron nail. You see in this picture, the solution is blue in color because it is copper sulfate and iron nail is fresh one. But in second picture, the solution turns green because a new substance iron sulfate is formed and copper is deposited on the iron nail. So hence from these activities we conclude that in a chemical change one or more new substances are formed. Okay, so in chemical changes the new substances are formed and it is irreversible change, as we not get the first substance back. Okay, and there is totally the change in the chemical composition. The chemical composition, that is copper sulfate now become iron sulfate, that is iron and that is the copper. Okay, so it is chemical reaction. I hope beta आपको ये सारे topic clear होगा. If you have any doubt regarding this chemical change experiments, you may call me or you may message me WhatsApp. Okay, and I will share the videos of this experiment with you, so you have to watch that videos. Okay, and thank you.